afternoon, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. So today class is General Science. Topic is body talk. In the previous class we have learned body talk in the visible parts of body and hardware. Today we are going to learn about sense organs. Today I will give explanation sense organs, about the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs on our face.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Already we learned body talk, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Again, this class also you are doing body talk, no,
No,
ma'am.
no, my dear student. Body talk already in the previous class we have learned. Today I am going to explain sense organ.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
we
sense
have
organs means what, ma'am?
sense organs means we have 5 sense organs on your face.
Okay, ma'am.
my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
What are that? I explain about that. So
Okay.
what is this, Kumla?
This is eyes, ma'am.
What is this? Ears. This is
Nose.
this is.
Tongue.
So 4 you know.
Yes, ma'am.
One more is there. Which is that?
Which one,
On
ma'am?
the face only.
Eyes, nose,
Yeah.
ear,
Yes.
tongue. Which one, ma'am? One more?
One more is I will show come. So what is this?
This is
What is that?
chin.
No, ma. That
Cheeks,
is
no, ma'am. This one.
no. This is skin.
Skin.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are the 5 sense organs we have in our body.
Okay.
How many we have?
5 sense organs.
5. Repeat once again. Which are that? Show
Eyes.
yours. Yeah.
Nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Very good. So eyes. What is the help of eyes?
Eyes, ma'am. I can see all the things, ma'am, around us.
Yeah, very good. With the help of eyes, we can see the things around us.
Yes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Kumla. See now.
No, ma'am. I can't see anything.
What is this? Close your eyes and see. What is this?
I don't know, ma'am. What is
Yeah.
that?
Open your eyes now.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Paper.
Yes, very
Paper.
good. So, seeing eyes help us to see the things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ears. Ears.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, Bhagya.
Ma'am, today you are teaching body talk. In that you are teaching sense organ, ma'am.
Yeah, my dear. Yeah, my dear. Correct.
Ma'am.
Your guessing is correct.
Ma'am, you have thought about eyes. Yes,
Yeah.
or ma'am?
Yes.
ma'am. Eyes we used to see the
Yeah.
things. Yes, no, ma'am?
Yes, correct,
Yes.
ma. Correct.
Ma'am, now we are teaching about ears.
Yes. Ears.
Ears.
Yes, ma. Ears. Ears.
E-A-R-S, ears.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the use of that ears, ma'am?
Okay, my dear. Good question. So, ears. Hearing sounds in that soft sound and loud sound.
We can hear with the ears. Yes, no,
Yes, yes, correct.
ma'am? But you are saying soft sound and loud sound. What is that, ma'am?
I will show the difference, soft and loud sound. Okay, Bhagya?
Okay.
Listen carefully. Can you hear this? What I said now?
No, ma'am.
So that is the soft sound.
Okay, that is inside without noise. You are saying
Yeah.
something that is soft.
Yeah,
sound.
without noise, we hearing no, that is soft sound. So
Okay.
one more question you ask, no, what is
Loud sound.
the? Yes, loud sound. What is this?
Ma'am,
Oi,
what is
what
that,
happened?
ma'am? So loudly you are beating.
No, ma.
Sound.
I will show the sound effect. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That is the loud sound. Understood? No.
Okay, loud means more loud voice.
Yeah, more loud voice will come.
Okay.
That is we identify through our ears. Okay.
Okay.
Ear help us to
loud sound, soft sound. We have to hear
Yes,
from the
correct,
ears.
correct.
Okay.
Okay, understood. No, got it. No points.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now third one, nose. Nose, no, ma, Komla, this one. What is this?
No, ma'am.
Nose.
This is not nose, ma'am. Eye is this one.
Okay, where it is nose on your face?
Here.
Yes, nose. Through the nose, we can smell good or bad things. Okay, so one more is not only bad or good. We through the nose breathe. How? We taking no
we
inhale.
breathe.
Yes, that is
Yes.
breathe.
Okay.
Through the nose only we are breathing. One more organ, tongue. This is the tongue, no children?
No, ma'am. This
Then what is
ear?
this?
Ear.
Yeah, very good. Now tongue, where it is show?
Tongue, ma'am.
Shoma, Shoma,
Ear.
Bhagya. Yeah, very
Yeah.
good. See, Komla,
Yeah,
Bhagya
yes,
is
ma'am.
very good
Yes,
girl.
ma'am.
So that is tongue.
Yes, yes.
Through the
Tongue.
tongue,
Tongue.
what we can feel through the tongue?
Tongue. We
Taste.
are eating food, no, ma'am.
Ah, very foodie, very
Ma'am,
good.
that time we are eating
Yes.
ladu.
Yes,
That
ladu.
time it will be very sweet.
Chocolate.
That time
Yes,
chocolate.
very good.
That
Very
time
good.
we when the tongue will taste sweet. That
Yes.
time we are very happy
So
to
what
eat
is the taste of chocolate, Komla?
sweet.
So only you two members, laddu and chocolate. The sweet only
I
you
like,
are
ma'am.
tasting.
No, I
ma'am.
like chocolate.
Ma'am,
Then-
I eat mother prepares food. Idli, dosa, chutney,
Okay,
sambar.
okay,
It's
okay.
all very nice to
Very
eat,
good.
ma'am. The tongue through tongue, that is
Yes.
with the help of tongue we will chew, no,
Okay,
ma'am.
my dear Bhagya. Chutney you said now your mama preparing idli, dosa, chutney. Chutney which taste will give?
Spicy, ma'am.
Spicy is
Spicy,
how?
Ah, it will be
Chili.
very.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
That
chili.
is the one taste.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
sweet one and one is spice. Okay. Now one more we have to eat in the Yugadi festival will come. No, that time you are mix and eat one leaf. What is that name of the leaf?
That is in Kannada they will say bella, bevu,
Bevu,
no, ma'am.
bevu.
That
Yes,
one.
yes, very good, very intelligent Bhagya. Bevu means in English we have say that neem leaves.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bevu, bella means jaggery, that is sweet.
Okay, ma'am.
Neem leaves is
Bitter.
bitter. Face also we are.
Ma'am, I
eating.
won't like to eat bitter, ma'am. I
Oh,
won't
that
like
is very
ma'am.
good for health, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Today
ma'am.
onwards, you go and eat one leaf. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I will eat.
No.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
today onwards you
Kaula,
will
I let you tomorrow. Today only we'll go and
yes,
eat.
very good. Whatever
neem
thought,
leaves.
that one keep
One
in
leaf
your
we will eat, ma'am.
mind. So through the tongue, we tasting sour, bitter, sweet, and one more spicy, salty. Understood? No. One more is there. Last one is there. What is that? What happening?
Abba, paining, ma'am.
Why, ma? What happened, ma?
Pinch,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
just I did like this, ma'am.
Pinch,
Pinch,
ma'am.
yeah. So you pain means you
It's
get
paining.
some pain on your body. So that is we call skin. If you touch,
Okay, ma'am.
means that is skin. That is the
Skin.
skin. See, the skin is covered whole our
Yes, ma'am. It is
body.
covered. Oh,
Whole
it's
our
covered.
body. This is largest organ in our body. So we have 5 organs. Okay, children. What is that?
Eyes, eyes,
Yes.
ears,
Yes.
nose,
Yes.
tongue, skin.
Yes. By touching, you can feel the hot, soft, okay, hot and cold also. By touching only, you can feel by the skin. Understood, no, children?
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
we have how many organs? We have sense organs.
Five.
5 organs. Very good. around us.
We can see things around us
With the help of our ears.
with the
The
help
help
of
of our
eyes.
Yes, very good. With the help of our eyes, we can see the colors.
We
How can we see the colors?
With the help
Help
of
of
our
our
eyes.
So, I will show two colors.
Okay, ma'am.
children.
Okay, ma'am.
Which color is this?
That one is green.
Which color is this? Blue. Yes, this is green and this is blue. With the help of our eyes only we can identify the colors.
Okay,
Like
ma'am.
that, sizes and shapes also. Okay, some objects we can see different sizes. Okay,
Yes,
now shapes also. Few things round and few things square. See here our board is there. That is which shape is there our board?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, ma'am.
Yes, very
Rectangle,
good.
right?
This is a rectangle. Now I will show one book. This is the shape of which is
Square. Square, no, ma'am. Square, ma'am.
yes, square like this. With the help of our eyes we can feel, we can see the things. Second one, ears. Okay, this is ear.
No, ma'am.
Then what
No,
is?
ma'am.
Show
This
ear.
is ear.
Yes.
This is ear.
We hear with our ears. It helps us to hear different sounds around us. We can hear soft and loud sounds.
Okay, ma'am.
Third one
Soft and loud
is
sound.
yeah, very good.
Cracker will burst. That
Yes,
is loud sound.
Yes, more that is
Yes,
horrible
audible.
to our ears also.
Yes.
So very sense organs is there. No, our sense organs. This is very soft, sensitive, soft and sensitive.
Okay, ma'am.
Nose.
Nose.
We smell. Yes.
Nose.
We smell
And
through
we
our
breathe.
nose. Yes, we can breathe also. So you smell means only good things only we are smelling, ah?
No, ma'am. When we go roadside, some
Yeah.
bad smell also will come.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. The smell of different things, good or bad, like eating food, gama gama sound, gama gama smell will come. Medicines and garbage use. Don't know now.
On the
Throwing.
road.
Why
We are
the-
throwing, no,
yes,
ma'am.
throwing garbage, dumping garbage. No, that smell will
smell
be
will
very
very
dirty.
bad, bad smell.
That time we closing our nose. Can only be known with the help of our nose. Next, fourth one, tongue. We know the taste of different things like sweet, salty, bitter, and spicy also. With the help of the tongue only we can feel.
Tongue. Tongue.
Yes,
ma'am.
tongue. Last one is skin. Fifth organ is skin. This is the largest organ in our body. Our body is covered with the skin only. The largest sense organ, it helps us to touch and feel the things. Touch means we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
feel, no, like this.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Kumla,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhagya,
Bhagya,
hard
ma'am.
and
Bhagya
soft.
which we know, ma'am.
Yes, that is the
No, ma'am. But
sense.
we mistake it.
Yeah, got it, no? Very good. These are the sense organs. Five are the sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin.
Ma'am, today I learned in body talk the 5 sense organs.
Very understood, no?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it, no?
Understood.
Friends? Yeah, very good. Very good. my
Thank
dear
you,
children.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. All the
Bye,
sense
ma'am.
organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. Thank you.